While Ukrainian forces are really struggling on all fronts right now due to the shortage of ammunition and supplies, the Ukrainian strategy against the Russian Black Sea Fleet is yielding great results. The most valuable assets of the Russian Black Sea Fleet have been withdrawn from Crimea. One loser is left of the missile carriers. According to Dmytro Pletenchuk, spokesperson of the Ukrainian Navy, most of the units, if considering cruise missile carriers, have been relocated, except for one, which has not launched a single missile so far. The main units have been relocated too.
Основною силою, бойовою місією, звісно, у них в Криму вважався флот. І зараз фактично він, може сказати, чи не в повному складі Крим покинув. Я маю на увазі, що більшість бойових одиниць, якщо брати носії крилатих ракет, фактично всі, окрім одного, вибачте, невдахи, який досі не запустив жодної ракети, хоча й вважається носієм крилатих ракет. Це є про циклон зараз. Вони перебазовані. Бойові одиниці основні так само перебазовані. Тому можу сказати, що там залишили, якщо не тих, кого не шкода, то тих, кого, мабуть, просто нема де розмістити у пункті базування в Новоросійську. Тому так, там залишається, звісно, деякий склад кораблів, але найцінніші активи всі виведені фактично, якщо брати саме кораблі.
British intelligence writes that Russia is using barges to protect the Black Sea Fleet from Ukrainian attacks. Analyzing the images, the intelligence revealed 4 barges located at the entrance to the Russian Black Sea Fleet's facility at the Novorossiysk seaport. This is an attempt to strengthen the port's defenses against attacks by Ukrainian unmanned surface vehicles, British intelligence states. The report notes that the Novorossiysk port for Russia now plays a crucial role in sheltering the Black Sea Fleet's most valuable ships. Intelligence recalls the resignation after the defeat of several Russian ships of the Black Sea Fleet commander Viktor Sokolov, who held this post since September 2022. His successor is said to be Sergei Pinchuk, who has served as Chief of Staff of the Black Sea Fleet since 2021. Sergei Pinchuk likely sought to improve the chances of survival for Russian vessels by taking additional preventive and defensive measures, including reducing approaches to port facilities, British intelligence wrote. Kherson Oblast Ukrainian forces appear to have fielded a new unknown heavyweight FPV munition capable of causing significant damage, seen here dismantling Russian positions. And this is a great thread from Samuel Bendit on X. Appreciate the thread by War in the Future that highlighted key points in current and future combat UGV development that we can discern form this video. Would like to add the following points as well. First, what we are witnessing is a rapid proliferation of smaller, lighter combat and logistics UGVs across the front at this point in the war, with many coming from DIY-type projects by soldiers themselves and different volunteer organizations supporting the war effort. These are less simple designs that can be quickly put together. With so many FPV and quadcopter drones operating in tactical engagements in Ukraine, such UGVs can be quickly identified, tracked, and ultimately destroyed. Therefore, it's likely that other UGV types fielded in the coming months are not going to be large, sophisticated, and expensive UGV designs that were tested and evaluated by the Russian military prior to its invasion of Ukraine, or even as recently as early 2023, as with its Marker Combat UGV series. At this point, larger vehicles can be easy targets. What we will witness is the use of many cheap, light UGVs like those in this video that can be quickly put together, potentially quickly lost if necessary, and quickly replaced. Moreover, it's not clear in this video if these UGVs were sent instead of soldiers, or together with soldier units in a combined arms formation. As more UGVs will enter combat, both sides will try to develop tactics and concepts for integrating them in assault battlefield operations. The key tactic will be to send these combat vehicles ahead of or instead of soldiers to take humans out of dangerous situations. This is a whole point behind developing such systems. Finally, it's very likely that these Russian UGVs were remote-controlled, and once the cameras and sensors were incapacitated, it became very difficult for the UGV operators to pilot and maneuver these vehicles. Both sides in this war working on more autonomous operations for such machines, and Russia claimed to run several R&D efforts in years past, focusing on integrating aerial and ground unmanned assets. Once, or if, such UGV technology becomes as commonplace as FPVs and commercial quadcopters, the next development stage could be more fully autonomous UGVs operating on their own. One of the reasons that we have not witnessed such autonomous UGV operations is the difficulty of developing training models and data sets for a complex battlefield terrain such as in Ukraine right now that is teeming with countermeasures that are both man-made, like drones and weapons, as well as basic natural obstacles that such UGVs cannot yet overcome without additional and possibly costly assistance. And for the military porn, this is how South Korea devastate mountains. The combined joint live-fire exercise in 2023. F-16, F-15, F-35, FA-50, Apache, and many other critical assets attended this annual large live-fire exercise. Navy sent their missiles and torpedo and mobile sea mine for the first time. Army and Air Force also displayed some newly developed weapons. Foreign high-ranking officers and government senior officials usually attend. And that time, Polish government officials attended.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.